I want him gone. We've been fighting him for years. I don't know what he's doing walking around a free man. I really don't.
In an unprecedented case that will decide if former President Trump will remain on the Republican primary ballot in Colorado, oral arguments before the Supreme Court lasted more than 2 hours.
I've been waiting here since 9 p.m. last night. It's a historic moment. I really wanted to see it. I still am really interested in the outcome.
The justices heard if the Colorado Supreme Court was right to order the former president ineligible to appear on its primary ballot.
It's not fair what's being done, and things need to change.
Some supporters protested that he did not incite an insurrection and should remain on the ballot.
It will not be good for America. It will be another nail in the coffin, and things are just going to get worse.
The case centers around the third section of the 14th Amendment, stating, "No person shall hold any office who has taken an oath as an officer of the United States that has engaged in insurrection." Whether this applies to the office of the presidency is at the discretion of the court.
If you have taken an oath to the Constitution, to uphold the Constitution, and then you engage in an insurrection, or try to overthrow the U.S. government, then you are disqualified from running for office.
And with the conservative majority on the court, what are your thoughts on what they'll decide?
You know, they've surprised us before, but I'm not feeling very hopeful today. My biggest hope is that they toss it back down to the states, but I don't think that's going to happen.
If the court acts swiftly, voters could see another trial before Election Day.
Hopefully it won't be a political decision. Hopefully it'll be a decision on the law. And they'll basically say the law applies to Donald Trump just like it applies to every other officer of the United States.
The Colorado Republican Party and state lawyers asked the court to rule promptly, likely seeking a decision before Super Tuesday on March 5th. At the Supreme Court, Maria Heim, Medill News Service.